red color, your body all some gold. Stories blow away a forever told. Dagua coconut highway trees sway. Na breeze blow west coast melting my heart.
Meri Sepik, take my heart away. Rolling eyes, blowing you dancing in the breeze inside my mind. Whispering secrets through the coconut trees. Every wave sings a song so free.
Calling me home, calling me I was sick. And I feel the love inside. Your love runs like the tide, from the mountains to the sea. Meri Sepik, you live in me. Meri Sepik, oh, your love cry like a woman in the night. Meri Sepik, oh, study 2-4 dreams under the moonlight. Hear the voices the women sing, calling love on gentle wings. Meri Sepik, oh, forever in my heart, forever in my dreams. Drums echo from the distant hills. Tears drop on my belongings. Like magic lumpella coconuts. Love flowers along west coast shine like sunny rust. Your beauty flows in rhythm of mine. Emotions like weaves through the evening sky. Softly whispering, don't say goodbye. The world may fade, but your song stays true.
Meri Sepik, I belong to you.
And I feel the rhythm inside. Your kisses runs like the tide, from the mountains to the sea.
Meri Sepik, you live in me.
Meri Sepik, oh, your waters cry like a woman in the night. Meri Sepik, oh, tears drop from my heart like your dreams under the moonlight. Hear the voices the women sing, calling love on gentle wings. Meri Sepik, oh, forever in my heart, forever in my dreams. Tabla rolls and sitar strings, night birds hum as the river sings. Gold beats merge with the reggae flow. Meri Sepik, let your magic grow. Meri Sepik, oh, your waters cry like a woman in the night. Meri Sepik, oh, tears drop for dreams under the moonlight. Hear the voices the women sing, calling love on gentle wings. Meri Sepik, oh, forever in my heart, forever in my dreams.
Songs not so free, just calling keyboard, distant female harmony.
Meri Sepik in my dreams.